Hey guys, so here again you see this molecule, 1,2-dichloroethane. The molecule I'm looking at right now with 2 carbon, those in black. The 2 orange balls here represent the chlorine atom, and the 4 white balls representing the hydrogen. So I was mentioning just now that you have free rotation, and now let's analyze the staggered conformer. Staggered means when you look through the carbon-carbon bond in the Newman projection, you will see all the 6 atoms that connect directly to the carbon we are looking through. So now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 are not blocked. And if I'm going to hold this hydrogen, that's easy for you. Again, you see 6 of them, right? So how do you translate this diagram onto a piece of paper for me or for yourself? I will draw it for you now. Again, first step in a Newman projection, you have to draw a circle. First, draw a circle and draw these 3 lines at the right angle, and this represents the front carbon that you're seeing over here. Now, what points up here you see is a hydrogen. To the side here, at the front carbon, there's a chlorine. The one at the other side is a hydrogen. I'm going through now to the back carbon at the behind. So how to show it over here is you draw another 3 lines, but be careful, do not protrude past the circle, alright? So this is the template. And over here, you see a hydrogen. At the bottom, another hydrogen. On the left back, is a chlorine. So this is what we call as a staggered conformer. Staggered conformer. Alright. Now in this case, you might have realized that the chlorine atoms are on the opposite end. So they are very far from each other. In fact, these are the furthest they can be apart. So we call this anti. Recall, anti means opposite. Anti, opposite, opposite, right? Now, I will turn the molecule for you, and that there could be another conformer that's a bit different, but we still call it staggered. Do you see? You still see staggered, right? In, out, in, out. 6 atoms connected to the carbons here. That's not blocked. But now you notice that the chlorine are very close to each other. In fact, the bond here is just 60 degrees. So how do you translate this then? Again, the template for staggered conformer. First, you draw the circle, these bonds, right? And then the bonds at the back. Right. What do you see at the top here? Chlorine. On the right, there's a hydrogen. The one on the other side here, that is hydrogen. Right, now the back carbon, here you see a hydrogen. The one pointing down, again another hydrogen. The one on the left here is a chlorine. So you see the translation? The 2 big chlorine are by the side, 60 degrees from each other. So we call this staggered, but it's called gauche. So this is a gauche conformer, whereas the other one is called anti. They are both under the staggered conformer, but we can be a bit more specific. Anti means the 2 bulkiest group are on the opposite end. Gauche means the 2 biggest group are side by side. And all the bonds here, when you look at this Newman projection, are 60 degrees.